This is an instructional video on how to install the control pins in your new MotoPegs. The MotoPegs come out of the box ready to fit to your motorcycle. They come with orange medium shore pins. It's important that you do not install the control pins while the MotoPegs are installed on your bike. So open up the box and the first thing you'll see is the compatibility QR code. You can remove that and remove the MotoPegs from the box. Underneath you will find several different pieces of equipment to help you with the install. A 10mm wrench, a selection of shore pins, some nuts, bolts and tools, some gloves, paper towel and some Q-tips. Sometimes we add springs, but they're not needed for this install. Remove the MotoPegs from the packaging and remove the rubber inserts. First we want to remove the M6 bolt on the top. Use a wrench for this. Next, remove the washer. Now remove the axle and adapter from the main foot peg. Now use the tweezers to remove any of the shore pins remaining inside the main foot peg. The next step is to choose your shore pins. There are 4 types: green, which is soft, orange, which is medium, red, which is hard, and black, which is fixed. For this example, I'm going to use green, which is the softest. Now take a Q-tip and the included grease and smear the insides so it holds on to the shore pins and they just don't fall out. Make sure to clean and grease the axle as well. Holding the MotoPeg's main body vertically, add the shore pins in the corners. You'll need 4 per MotoPeg. Okay, now we want to install the axle into the MotoPegs. So hold the MotoPeg's main body vertically and slowly press in the axle into the center of the MotoPeg. This may need a little bit of a wiggling, just make sure everything's aligned. The protrusion on the adapter must be facing the teeth on the main body of the foot peg. If a lot of force is needed, then the parts are not aligned. Next we need to add the washer. The teeth on the washer will line up with the teeth on the axle. Make sure they're nice and lined up. This is very important. This washer is designed not to rotate. Next step is to get a new M6 bolt and screw it on. Tighten the M6 nut down. The specification for this is 8 Nm. There's no need to over tighten this nut. What's important is that the nylon inside the nut is engaged and the teeth of the washer are engaged with the axle. If you're having issues, please use a qualified mechanic and reach out to us if you have any problems or need replacement parts.